This is a block diagram of any analog communication system. It consists of a source of information from where the source has is being taken, whether it is audio signal or it is a signal from any sensor or any other devices. It is first being processed by the transmitter circuit. Now, in the transmitter circuit, it is being first processed. Maybe this process consists of filtering process, it may be amplification process, it may be level shifting process, conversion of one form to another form. All these things, along with a very important process for a long distance communication, that is modulation process, is carried out at the transmitter end. From the transmitter end, the signal is being transmitted to communication channel, and the communication channel can be wired communication channel or wireless communication channel. Under the wired communication channel, you have cables of different types, maybe transmission cables like twisted pair cable, cat5 cable, etc., and optical fiber cable. Under the wireless communication system, you have whole electromagnetic spectrum through which the signal is going to be transmitted. Now, one more very important element in this analog communication system block diagram is the noise. Now, what is noise? Noise is an unwanted signal. That means, suppose I am taking a class and in between somebody is disturbing me, or somebody is shouting, so that is a disturbance in the communication which is carried out between us. So that is referred as unwanted noise, and electronics it is referred as noise. Now these noise signals can be internal noise as well as external noise. Internal noise are the one which are being contributed by the circuits which are inside the transmitter block or receiver block or any processing block. And the external noise is because of all environmental effects, lightning effect, and other sort of effects. So noise has to be as minimum as possible for any communication system. Now, noise, we cannot say that noise can be zero. Ideally, yes, we for any communication system we want this noise level to be zero, ideally, but practically it is never possible to have noise level is equal to zero. So what the system administrator can do is it can minimize this particular noise level. So for any communication system, minimization of noise is one of the performance parameter which has to be there. Then we have another important block, that is receiver block. Now the function of this receiver block is to receive the signal from the communication channel, processes again, it performs various functions which includes again filtering, amplification, level shifting, coding, decoding, and further demodulation is the first process which is carried out if it is a long distance communication system. After the receiver receives it, it processes, demodulation process is carried out, the information signal is being extracted, and this information signal is being given to the destination where it is required. So this is a brief information about what is electronic analog communication system. In the next lecture, we will be discussing the details about each block in this communication system, and then we will see certain case studies based on this. Thank you.